Good morning, my name is Fiorella, like Cinderella, Fiorella, from anyhousecleaning.com. And let me introduce myself and the business. We are located in Central Florida, Champions Gate, Davenport, Florida. Anyhousecleaning.com. You can Google. A lot of good reviews. We do from post-construction cleaning to sanitation and disinfecting cleaning services, carpet, towel, and regular housekeeping services. I have been in the cleaning industry since 2000. I was cleaning Millennium Mall in Great Orlando, Florida. And then I opened my small cleaning business in 2010. I'm really committed to perform in an efficient way. My slogan, as you see, and this is not that I just make for this corona epidemic, pandemic. My slogan is cleaning for health then appearance, and this slogan has been stay there from 2011, I guess. So let me go back and let me try to explain you how we work. We have a system by Ecolab. Maybe you can go on the other side. We have an Ecolab system. This product is an antibacterial all-purpose cleaner. It's an EPA registration. The EPA number is right there. I don't know if you can see better. EPA registration, okay? Peroxide and disinfectant, that is a EPA registration too. Sorry that the warehouse is kind of messy. I try to pull everything on the table so you will know a little bit more about our services. All the manufacturers and all the cleaning companies are really busy taking orders for the healthcare department. So it was impossible to buy everything right now. I already had it. So, glove for protection for ourselves. Depending of the task, we use different type of glove, vinyl, or this kind of glove, or heavy duty, that is the long one, or the utility glove, protection goggles, this type, or maybe this kind of glass. Coveralls, depending of the situation. 3M. Filters. If you want to attack any kind of odor, we use this system of odor exit. It's environmentally friendly, no chemicals, eliminates all the odor and the musty odor. You should check the website. Odor exit, a really good product. That company also sell moms to remove odor and mildew smoke. It's an odor oxidizer, really good. You should, for real, you should check the website. I don't know, what is the website? Let's see. Okay, Facebook, Odor Exit, Facebook/Odor Exit, odorexit.com. Check it out, okay? I use, depending of the situation, foggers, where it missed the product, even to disinfect, sanitize, or for other issues, to remove odors. We have products, concentrated product by Ecolab. This is another product, EPA register. Let's see if we can see that. And we already have that. Another thermoelectric fogger to remove odors. This is an electric fog that where you can take out this part and you can spray a mist or disinfect with this tool. Shoe covers, peroxide wipes, face shield, mask, a P100. When we go to work, we take whatever is necessary. This is our concentrated bottle. Clorox, plastic guns, depending of the situation. Big, huge industrial glove. This is a disposable microfiber cloth by Rubbermaid, commercial product, really good product to be disposable after you cleaning or sanitize. I have a box there with a lot of that product. Another antibacterial by Ecolab, EPA registered. This product that is all-purpose wipes that you can combine with that sprayer. Here, we already have, before the corona pandemic, we already have those kind of supplies. All our protective cloth, by Kimberly-Clark. In this area, I have all the filters for our backpacks. We use HEPA backpack vacuums, commercial vacuums. The brand Protein. I have another brand too. We use Orec vacuum too. This is a HEPA bag, and this is the Hoover, right? Every vacuum has different type of filtration. This is the same. This is another kind and another kind. We use also a vapor steamer to sanitize for people that they don't like chemicals. This is a really good way to sanitize and clean properties, showers, upholstery, booth. We use hose dry carpet cleaner if you want to clean your carpets but are not in the hot water extraction way. We can use that product too. And here are all our concentrated products, by most of them by Ecolab and Diversity. This is for the carpet, Wool Safe, Green Seal, and the Carpet and Rug Institute seal approval. Ecolab, a sanitizer, Odor ban. This is a disinfecting. Virus kills MRSA and is called Earth Choice. Diversity brand, General Peroxide. 3M. This is a HB quad disinfectant. EPA registered too. This is the registration. Another multi-purpose, hydrogen, 'peroxide. This is a disinfectant tube by Diversi. This is, let's see, all the instructions are there. Diversi. And things like that. So why I'm showing you this? Because when you are a lot of products, right? But we use it, so we buy in whole products. We use it a lot to sanitize and disinfect. Another vapor steamer, 3M filters, because we have an air scrubber, all the equipment and the machine necessary to serve you better. My purpose of this video is actually show you that our company invests in the best cleaning products. We also already have our electrostatic sprayer. I'm gonna make another video about that. That machine is really expensive to sanitize properly and disinfect all the areas more efficient and in less time. I invite you to check our YouTube channel, youtube.com/anyhousecleaning. I have a lot of videos. I have been working in this business so many hours. This is my passion, and I'm right here to serve you. We have the truck mount, and we offer carpet tile cleaning, organization, and regular maid service. People that know me, current clients, know how good and reliable we are. Thank you for watching. Be safe, and you can contact us at 407-572-4118 or visit our webpage, anyhousecleaning.com. Support the small business. Thank you.